Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. So nice, so nice. Garga Purohito Rajan Yadunam Sumaha Tapaha. Gargacharya, Mahatapaha. Vasudeva told him, go and meet Nanda Yashoda, see how the children are. So he came, Brajam Jagama. Nandagopal was so happy to see him. Parama Pritaha. Immediately, when some person you respect, person you like comes, immediately you get up and you say welcome. You offer them place to sit, everything. Kritanjalihi. Nanda felt that God himself has come through the form of Gargacharya. Adokshaja Diya. Adokshaja Diya. Adokshaja is Bhagavan. Diya, in his mind, he felt that Adokshaja has come through this form. Pranipata. He did Namaskar. Supavishtam Krithatithyam. Atiti Satkaram he has done. Nanda is asking, you are complete in yourself because you are enjoying some divine nectar. Purnasya. None of us can offer you anything, but it is customary to say, if there is anything we can do, please let us know. Karavamakim. Mahans like you, they exist in this world to bless us. Nishreyasaya Bhagavan Kalpate. You come from one place to the other, that is a big blessing for the people in that place. People who are able to interact with you are the ones who are most blessed. I have a request. If it is okay, these two boys, can you please do the Namakarana Samskara? Samskaran kartumarhasi balayoho. Balayoho. For these two boys, please do the Namakarana. Garga is thinking for a second and then he's saying, it is very famous that I am the Acharya. I am the Kula Guru for the Yadavas. Yadunam Aham Acharya Kyatascha. It's very famous. So, if I do the Namakarana for these boys, immediately people will suspect that these boys are actually Devaki's children. Manyate Devaki Sutam. That Kamsa will make the calculation. Devakya Ashtamo Garbo Nastri Bhavitumarhati. The eighth child could not have been a girl because I was told that the eighth child will kill me. Afikhanta Gata Shanki. I feel that he may double his efforts to try and kill these children. So I'm a little concerned about doing a big festival because everything about Krishna is big festival, no? So he's worried. Last time Avthanam was such a big festival. So now he's saying, if we do a big festival, everybody will come to know. That is the risk in that. Nanda Uvacha. Then we'll do it in secret. Rahasi. If doing it in big public festival is risky, then we'll do it in very few people only. Mama Kai, Mama Kai. With very select people. Go Brajay. And we'll do it in the cow shed. Krishna will be happy. We'll be happy. Everybody is happy. So let's just do it in secret. Please do. Because your words will be big blessing. If you say it, it will be a big blessing. The same words, when certain people say it, it gets infused with certain power. That is why the same story, when we hear from certain sources, it makes our insides so happy and so comfortable. Swasti vachana purvakam kuru. Because Nanda asked in this manner, evam, and that was what Gargacharya also wanted. What a big honor to name the child during Krishna Avataram. Amazing, no? Vasishtha got that for Rama Avataram. He is getting that for Krishna Avataram. Swachikirshitam eva. Swachikirshitam. He wanted that only. That has come about from Nanda's mouth itself. Chakara Namakaranam. So he's doing this beautiful festival of naming the two boys. Garga Uvacha. Gargacharya is saying, look at this Rohini's son. He is going to delight everybody's heart. Ramayati iti Ramaha. Somebody who delights your heart, you call them Rama. So this child is going to be called Rama. Ramayan Suhrudo Gunaihi. Because of his guna, he's going to delight people's hearts. Therefore, we'll call him Rama. Akyasyate Rama iti. And he's going to be greatly powerful. Power is bala, no? Strength. Bala dikyat balam viduhu. Therefore, we will call him Bala Rama. Strong delight. Strong delight. We'll call him Balarama. And because now all the Yadavas are spread, no? Because of Kamsa's atrocities, they have run away to many different countries. He will attract them all back together. An attraction, Akarshanam, no? So he will be called Sankarshanam. Sankarshana Sarupi. But Gargacharya is giving this meaning that he will attract all these Yadavas back to one kingdom. So we'll call him Sankarshana. This other boy, Idanim, this other child. Because he's born to Vasudeva, we'll call him Vasudeva. He's son of Vasudeva. Dasharatha's son is called Dasharathi. So Vasudeva's son we will call Vasudeva. You know what is the meaning of Vasudeva. Vasa Achadane. You just saw that in the evening. Vishnu Sahasranama. Vasanat Vasudevasya Vasitam Bhuvanatrayam Sarva Bhuta Nivasosi Vasudeva Namostu Te. Gargacharya knows. Just like in Rama Avataram, you had one great saint come and say, Aham Vetmi Mahatmanam. I know who this Rama is. Similarly, this Gargacharya knows who this Krishna is. So he is naming him Vasudeva because this God exists everywhere, permeates everything. Vishwam Vishnu. That Vasudeva, Vasa Achadane. Bahuni santi namani rupani cha sutasyate. This particular son, the second child, no, he has so many names. We have to pick. Oh my God. Avatara yasankeya harehe adbhuta karmana. This is an adbhuta karmana. He has so many names. He has so many forms. It's very difficult. Only few people know all those. Tanyaham Veda no janaha. There it was Aham Vetmi Mahatmanam. Here it is. Tanyaham Veda no janaha. This child's guna, this child's rupas, this child's names, this child's leelas. Guna karma anurupani. He is going to provide so much shreyas. Shreyas means what? The best of all kinds of wealth. Shri means wealth, no? Shreyas is best kind of wealth, material prosperity, spiritual prosperity, Everything he's going to give. Shreya Vaha. For all of us. Vaha. For all of us, he's going to give all these Shreyas. Adhasyat. Adhasyat means will give. Gopa Gokula Nandana hai. And with his help, there is no bridge that will be too difficult to cross. Sarva Durgani. That means if you think of this child's guna, karma, and nama, then you will cross the samsara sagara easily. Anjasa. Anjasa means easily. Yuyam tarishyata. Tarishyata means you will swim across the samsara sagara. You will easily swim across. He has taken many. He has taken many avatharas whenever they are required. Whoever has affection towards this boy, Preetim Kurvanti Manavaha, any kind of affection, Vatsalya Bhavam, Sakhya Bhavam, Madhurya Bhavam, Dasya Bhavam, whatever Bhava, Shanta Bhavam, you have some affection towards this boy, then you will be undefeated. Vishnu Paksha Nivasuraha. Nobody can win you over. Just like because Vishnu was helping the Devas, the Asuras could not win. Similarly, you will be always victorious if you have some affection for this child. Tasmat Nandatmajo Yamte. Nanda, your son, I can keep talking about your son, but let me give you a presi. Narayana Samo Gunaihi. Narayana Samo Gunaihi. You just saw, no? You have seen in 5th canto. God said, oh, Nabi Maharaja has asked that he wants a son like me. I searched and searched, but there is nobody like me. So I am going to be born as his son. Similarly, here earlier you saw in the 3rd chapter of Dashamaskandha, Krishna told his parents, you asked for a son like me. I looked and looked, could not give you. So I myself am born. Narayana Samo Gunaihi Shriya Kirtya Anubhavena Gopayasva. Keep this a secret. Gopayasva means keep it hidden. This knowledge, don't let it out. Ityatmanam Samadishya Garge cha Swagriham Gate. Garga is so happy to have finished this Namakarana, and we are so happy. Mother has asked, you know, all these names, it's good for passport or writing in the school, Vasudeva, Narayana, all that. Give me one name which is nice, which we can call at home, you know. प्यार से बुलाने के लिए एक नाम चाहिए. कृष्ण ताम गतः इदानीम. प्यार से बुलाने के लिए नाम कृष्णा. You call Krishna, that delights your insides, that pulls you towards a particular sweet path, that brings some nectar, some sudha in your hand. Idanim Krishna tam gataka. It's a bit dark, no? Krishna means black, so we'll call him Krishna. Easy. You say that outside.